For the first half of 2025, it cost $154 to finance every $1,000 borrowed, which is the highest level on record since 1977. In recent years, that figure was significantly lower, around $135 in 24 and 23, and $100 in 22, and just $79 in 2021. The 2025 record stands out because it exceeds even the high interest environments of the 1980s. The difference comes down to loan duration. In 1981, interest rates on farm machinery loans approached 18%, but most loans were short-term, averaging about 11 months. In contrast, the first half of 2025, we saw an average farm loan term of 45 months, increasing the total cost of borrowing despite lower interest rates.